morning and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be comparing 3 mock meat burger patties and we're going to find out which is the best of the 3. So of the 3, one is the most expensive burger patty that I've ever bought in my entire life, and this is one from Beyond Burger, which is a very famous US based company which has just launched a few weeks back in India. Yes, it is a little bit too expensive, I don't deny that. And the other 2 products that we are comparing with Beyond Meat are 2 Indian based mock meats that I haven't tried out. I haven't tried out any of these 3, and all 3 are made of completely different ingredients. So that I think is a way of finding out which one would make the closest to a meat burger. So we are going to be comparing that. I'm not making the patty from start or anything. These are just ready-made processed meat. So again, I know processed meat is not ideal at all, but once in a while, especially if you're trying to turn into a vegan, this is not an issue at all. So now let's check out each of these patties to see what they're made of and how much they cost before we go to fry them and make our burgers. So now let's start with the cheapest of the lot. So this is a soya burger patty from the brand called Wesley, and this is for the price of rupees 90. So it's made of soya. Obviously it's called soya burger patty. So soya, it's made of wheat protein, wheat flour, cornstarch, water, salt, ginger, garlic, red chili, green coriander, green chili. So basically the main ingredient here is soya. If you are going to try out veganism, you could probably start with this. Now we're going to open this, get it thawed, fry it, and then we're going to prepare our very first burger. Alright, so we have made our very first burger there, and you saw it was quite easy to make the burger too. And we had all the accompaniments for the burger, including cheese, including mayonnaise, everything was there. Again, vegan, obviously. So as we saw, there was 4 patties in that pack for rupees 90. So one patty is just rupees 22.5. That's insanely cheap, isn't it? So now let's go on to the next one, which is Wakao Jack Burger Patty. Now let's just read the ingredients and see what it is made of. So the ingredients are tender jackfruit. Yes, jackfruit is very well known for using as an alternative to chickens. This is something that I can't wait to try out because I've heard so much about using jackfruit as a substitute, but I've never tried it myself. So yeah, this is tender jackfruit, onion, corn flour, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, potato, jackfruit seed flour, salt, and there's no preservatives or additives that's included. So this is 4 patties, and 4 patties for 400 rupees. So one patty for 100 rupees. Again, not too bad. It's not super expensive, but yeah, I know it's not something we will be able to buy all the time. Once in a while, once or twice a month, maybe you could probably get it. So now let's again repeat the process of frying it and making our burger. second one, which is the Wakao jackfruit burger, is also done, and that looks delicious. So the soya one was a little small, but the jackfruit one was big enough to make it look like it's a meaty burger. So that is something that the jackfruit one has an advantage over the soya one. So now we are finally on to our very last burger patty, and this is the Beyond Burger plant-based burger patty, and this is super duper popular in USA. I'm very excited. The ingredients are basically, it's water, pea protein, edible vegetable oil, rice protein, some stabilizer, potato starch, apple extract, maltodextrin, pomegranate extract, salt, gelling agent, lemon juice, maize vinegar, carrot powder, emulsifier. Of all the three of these patties that we have had, this is the most processed. Again, it's not really healthy, but I cannot wait to try it out to see whether it's as close to like the meat burgers as I've heard. So how much do you think this patty is going to cost? Any guesses? The price for both the patties is $9.99. Basically, it's 1,000 rupees. So making one patty as 500 rupees. I don't think even the meat patties are close to this price, but this is an expensive burger patty. And I know that a lot of us may not be able to afford it. Even for me, when I just think of the amount I spent to just get this, for reviewing this for you, it just gives me a high BP. So now let's go ahead and fry it and make our expensive burger. Finally, our three burgers are ready for testing. And before we start tasting it, definitely comment below and let me know which of the three burgers actually look the most like a meat burger. For me, the second one, which is the jackfruit one, looks the most like a normal meat burger that you usually go out and eat. It looks the most like that. And now we'll go into the tasting part. Alright, so we have my dear husband, Suraj, here. So he is a non-vegan, which I'm not very happy about. We want an unbiased test here, and I know for sure that I will be biased. You have to choose winners for two categories. First one is that you need to choose which is the most tastiest of the three. Okay. And the second category is you need to choose which is the one that tastes most like real meat. Start from there.
Okay. Cool. This is not going to be pretty, by the way.
Take a big bite. You need to get the meat also.
What else is in here besides the patty?
There is lettuce, there is tomato, there is mayonnaise and cheese.
I'm going to need another bite.
But 2 bites, that's it.
Yeah, I didn't get much meat.
Okay.
So, I think I'm allowed one more bite.
Sure. Okay, so the first one is done.
Tastes good. I mean, you get that cheesy flavor also a lot in between.
Alright, the second one.
I'm not done chewing. Alright. Okay. This should be easier to get some meat in.
Yeah, this is bigger. The patty is much bigger.
Slightly juicier.
Than that one.
Nice.
Alright. And now we have the final one. Again, the patty of this one is also smaller than this one.
Yeah.
But I think it's thicker. Patty's thicker though.
Alright. Here goes.
The final one.
All very interesting flavors.
Alright, so we have all of them tasted. Okay, are you like ready with the results? Firstly, let's just choose the one which tastes the best.
I think that one.
So this one tastes the best.
Yeah.
And of the three, which one tastes the most like meat?
That's a tougher one. It's a little bit between these two. That one, I think, texture-wise and everything is the closest.
This one.
Yeah.
So basically, this is an alternative for red meat, and this is an alternative for chicken. So there is a difference.
Sure. So that gets that texture of red meat, I guess. But this one was slightly juicier somehow, in the sense that when you bite down and you get that little bit of juice. When you start noticing the texture, that's more like meat.
So basically, this one is the winner for both categories. This one, the patty in that one costs 22.5 rupees.
Okay.
This one costs 100 rupees, the patty. And this one costs 500 rupees. So now what would you judge? How would you judge it?
Yeah, I mean, I think you kind of get what you pay for with each of them. I don't know about 500 rupees, but of course, for 22 bucks, I think this is a perfectly serviceable burger. This one, again, maybe it's also the nature of the patty that maybe it takes in more oil. So if it's more lightly fried, I guess it could taste a little better also.
So this one is made of jackfruit.
This tastes a little more like meat. So unlike that one, it does like it can pass off for chicken, I guess. I think this comes the closest to a conventional meat burger in terms of texture and.
So this is one from a brand from US. So I think that's the reason it's so expensive.
Like it feels like a burger you would go have at a burger place. Like this, like I said, if you go to a cafe, like a multi-specialty kind of thing where they have all kinds of other stuff and the burger is also part of the menu, this would fit in quite well there. If you want to like do a quick something for friends and stuff like that or casually for yourself, I think this makes perfect sense. This is more like something that you would expect at a place known for burgers, right? So that level of detail and you get that sense a little bit.
Alright, so we have our winner, which is basically the mock meat from Beyond Burger, which is the most expensive of the lot. But I guess the price is also because of the taste difference. And I guess the hype on this Beyond Burger meat is justified, I feel, because it tastes the most like meat. I haven't had the taste of either of these yet. I need to judge it for myself too. But yeah.
Nobody cares.
So thanks again for staying throughout this video, and I hope that you would maybe try it out and let me know which is your favorite of the lot. I know there's a steep difference in the prices and the ingredients that are going into each of these processed patty. So make sure that you give a like to this video and also subscribe if you did enjoy this video. So I will be back with more of vegan products here, and he will be my tester. So make sure to subscribe to see more of these, and I will see you again in the next video. So until then, bye bye.